So when you throw and you catch them, you can feel like them hitting the net, like kind of like popcorn hitting the top of a lid, like bam, bam, bam.
It's 1:45 in the a.m., and Captain Jason, Ricky, and Darwin have been at it for over 5 hours.
Right now it's really bad. You got to catch fish every day. We're catching fish, but not near enough. Not near enough.
The crew ends the night with 75 pounds of mullet.
If we did this for 4 hours, we'd probably fill that up. I mean, that's just a lot of work. But sometimes that's what you got to do, you know, to make the gas money or whatever. We got to catch some bigger fish. These are little fish. It's not what we're looking for. These little ones, silver mullet, they only get like 2 pounds, but they're really good frying. They're whiter meat than a regular gray mullet. That's a white roe. Big white roe. White. See, these already rode out, but the crabber will buy them from us for crab bait. So we'll come back in the morning, look at it a little bit, and maybe go somewhere else in the morning. There's some big fish here, we just gotta find them. Under those boats, probably. Big old yachts over there. They're hiding, we'll do it again in the morning. That's fishing.
It's fishing.
It ain't catching, it's fishing tonight. Gotta keep grinding.
We don't catch a lot, but we have fun doing it.
Well, you ready to go?
You had enough?
Nice shower, bed.
Get these wet clothes off. I'm good.
That's all ass.
Let's go. I'm ready.
She gone.
See ya.